Lily, please take this food to your grandmother. She isn't feeling well and her cottage is deep in the forest. Stay on the path and be careful, all right?
I will, Mama. I promise.
Where are you going, little girl?
I'm on my way to visit my grandmother. She lives just past the hill.
I'm going to my grandmother's house.
Oh, how thoughtful. Tell you what, why don't you pick some flowers for her? I'm sure she would love them. Look, over there.
Grandmother, it's me, Little Red Riding Hood.
Come in, my dear.
Thank you, Granny.
Grandmother, why are your eyes so big?
The better to see you with, my dear.
And your mouth. Why is your mouth so big?
The better to eat you with. Stay back, beast!
Oh my! Grandma!
Sweetheart, you're safe now. I'll leave you two to each other.